Welcome to the Tea Center Craft Time with Ms. Hoshika. Today we are going to make some smiley faces. Let's see what you will need to make this. First, you will need some colored paper, a pencil, some crayons, scissors, and some glue. Let's see how to make them. Place your hand on a piece of paper and draw around it with the pencil. And then cut out around the outline. Use your pencils to color the middle of the paper to make a face. Cut out some eyes and a nose and a happy mouth and stick them onto the face using a glue stick. And if you would like to, you can add some freckles too. Get a pencil, wind the fingers around it towards to the palm to give some curly hair to your happy smiley face. And this is something I have made before. If you followed all of my steps, you will be able to make some happy smiley faces. Thank you so much for joining us at the Tea Center Craft Time today. Bye-bye.